Hi, welcome to my channel Promising Creations. In this channel I do upload sewing tutorials and pattern drafting. Those that have been subscribing to my channel, I appreciate you all. And in today's tutorials I'm going to show you how to draft a blazer suit sleeve. Please do watch to the end of the video, you will get it all. Please do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and your comments and requests and suggestions, please do leave it at the comment section below. Let's start. This is a basic sleeve. This is a basic sleeve that we are going to use for this tutorial now. Now I'm going to show you how to fold it. This is a basic sleeve. Then you fold it this way. Concentrate on the top. Make sure that both of them jam together this way. Then use your masking tape. Make sure that they rhyme this way. Use your masking tape to hold it this way. First of all, concentrate on the upper part, this part, so that they will rhyme together. They will jam and rhyme together. Then before going to the down part, also make the down part to rhyme this way, so that the down part will jam this way. Also use a tape to hold it this way. That's how we're going to fold it. Now we're going to bring a plain pattern paper. Then we're going to drop it on top of the pattern paper this way. Now we're going to use the tracing wheel. We're going to use our tracing wheel to trace. We're going to trace this way, trace here, trace this way, trace the middle. Then we're going to trace this part and this part this way. We're going to trace it on this pattern, on this fresh pattern paper before cutting. Okay, I've done tracing it this way, but if you don't have a tracing wheel, you can use your pencil to trace it out. Now I've done tracing it this way. Now I'm going to use a marker to trace it out. I've done tracing it this way. Now the next thing that we are going to do now is to get our elbow. Now our hands are not straight. When you stand, your hand is not standing straight. Now we are going to look for our elbow. The elbow is 13 inches. From the upper sleeve to the elbow is 13 inches. Then you draw a horizontal line to indicate the elbow this way. Now from the elbow downward, our hands are not straight. Then we are going to take from this middle here, we are going to take 1 inch. You can go below 1 inch, you can take 1 inch. Then we'll connect it to the elbow line this way. Connect it to the elbow line this way. Then from here, the ribs, the person's ribs is 8 inches divided by 2, it gives us 4 inches. We're going to place here, we're going to divide 4 inches, here 2, here 2. Now we're going to connect it to this place, connect it to this place. First of all, we're going to draw a line here. It's not going to be all that straight, it's going to be somehow diagonal. Then we're going to connect from this place, we connect it to this place. Then from here, we connect it to this place this way. Now these are the lines we are now making use of, is this line, and this line. That's the lines we are making use of now. Okay, now this is the right side and this is the back side. This is the front side, this is the back side. Now this is the inner sleeve. This we are going to now are going to place another pattern paper to trace out the inner sleeve. I'm going to okay, I've placed another pattern paper at the back. I'm going to use the tracing wheel to trace out the inner sleeve or the lower sleeve, whichever one you want to call it, either inner sleeve or lower sleeve. Now where I'm going to trace is, I'm going to trace here this way, trace here, reach to this way, trace here, go to this way, and trace here. I am done tracing the inner sleeve. This is the inner sleeve. Now I'm going to use the marker to trace it out. I'm going to take ½ inch from these lines here. I'm going to take off ½ inch on both sides. Now this is the front side, this is the back side. This inner part is the normal upper sleeve. That's the normal upper sleeve. Now we are removing half, but later on, now we are going to leave this half. We're not going to take it out. We are going to leave it to stand as our joining allowance, and then we're going to add ½ inch here for also joining allowance. Now at the lower part also, I'm going to add either 1¾ inch or 1 inch. I'm adding 3/4 inch for folding allowance. Now I'm going to cut for the inner sleeve. This is the inner, this is the inner sleeve. Now this is the upper sleeve. The lines we are making use of is these lines, as I indicated earlier, these lines and this line. Now The difference now is that we deduct ½ inch from the upper sleeve. Now this one, we are going to leave it this way. This is how it's going to be. Now we are going to add joining allowance to it. We're going to add ½ inch joining allowance to it all round. At the down part, I'm going to add ¾ inch for folding allowance, the way we added at the inner part. From this line here, from this second slack line here, we're going to add ¾ inch all through. Use our ruler to join it. Join the dotted lines. It's somehow diagonal, not straight. Now we are going to cut along the green color marker. That's the normal upper sleeve. This is our upper sleeve. I'm going to cut it off now. This is the upper sleeve and this is the lower sleeve. This is the upper sleeve that do stay at the up of the sleeve down, and this is the inner one. Instead of using a normal sleeve, we are going to use this sleeve here. This is how it will be when you are joining it. I also make a video on how to join the sleeve. Make sure that it is rhyming. This is the front side, this is the back side. You know how to place it when you are joining it. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to stop by and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that I notify whenever I upload. Do drop your comments, suggestion, or any request of any video that you wish to know. Please do drop it at the comment section below. God bless you all. Thank you. Bye.